How cool was that, eh? That was all done by AI, but how, why, and what? Well, let me introduce you to this channel right here, AI Creator. They make these Biohazard Animal shorts. They have over 306,000 subscribers, and they have accumulated over 91 million views. That is just insane. When we take a look at their social blade, we can see that they are estimated to make around $4,000 to $60,000 a month. That doesn't sound bad, right? So you want to know how they are doing it and get the money, views, and subscribers yourself? Well, you are in luck because hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own Biohazard Animal shorts with AI and go viral. So are you ready to explode? Well, let's dive right in. Let's first analyze their short with over 500,000 views. The concept is very simple. They simply show images of animals. In the first image, the animal comes in touch with a biohazard, and in the second image we see the same animal, but this time we can see what effect the biohazard had on it, and it looks genetically modified in a post-biochemical environment. And they add cool motion effects and some background music. Okay, let's get started ourselves now. Let's first brainstorm which animals we want to use in our short. Here these 7 will be great. A dachshund, a lion and a zebra, Mickey Mouse, a dolphin, a kangaroo and a cow. Now we are going to ChatGPT to ask for an image prompt for the first images when the animal in question comes in touch with the biohazardous chemicals. So type something like this: please give me an image prompt for an image that should include a dachshund that is sniffing a biohazard barrel. Green smoke should come outside of it. And no worries, I will put this prompt also in the video description. Now copy that image prompt and use it in any AI image generator, like for example Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is free to use and you get daily credits, plus other gives you a commercial license for the images, which is really amazing. So yeah, simply paste the prompt there, set the aspect ratio to 1:1, and then press generate. That is amazing. When you turn on the legacy mode, which is in the right corner, you can change the fine-tune models and create just the image with the right vibe you are going for. Since I have Midjourney, I will also generate it there. Okay, but let's ask ChatGPT to include a biohazard warning sign in the prompt. I'm going to add these quotation marks. That way Midjourney will add that text to the image. Now let's ask ChatGPT to create the same kind of prompt, but now for the lion. Okay, nice. And now for the zebra. But you know what? I will ask ChatGPT to actually create the prompts for the animals in their natural habitat. That will be more interesting. And of course, if you have even better and more creative ideas, simply ask and write it. Now watch me create the image prompts and generate all the first images for the animals. Now I will upscale the best one out of each 4 images and download them. Next up, we're going to ask ChatGPT to create the prompt for the second image. Just ask this. Now you should give me a prompt for a post-biochemical image. Do you understand? You should give the prompt that will generate the image where we can see what the animal looks like after it has touched the biohazard. The animal should look genetically modified and look dangerous. Make it look epic and dramatic. Start off with the Dachshund, and also make it look that they are attacking people or other animals. Perfect. Now generate the image and check if it looks nice. If it doesn't, just go back to ChatGPT and tell what you want different in the image. But for me, ChatGPT gave just the perfect prompts. Now I will ask ChatGPT to create all the second image prompts for all the other animals. Now I will simply copy the image prompts and put them in the image generator to generate all the images we need. Now upscale and download them. Now it is time we are going to use CapCut. Open a new project and drop the images in the timeline. But before doing that, go to the CapCut settings and then to Edit. Now check if the image duration is set to 2 seconds. If not, simply change it here and press Save. Okay, now the images can be added to the timeline. Now order them in a way that we, for example, first see the normal Dachshund and then the genetically modified Dachshund. Do that for every animal. Once you've placed all the images, we are going to do something cool next. We are going to bring the images to life. Go to Effects, and now go to Motion. Now do you see these two 3D zoom effects? They are both cool, but we are going to drag this one on every image now like this. The processing takes some time, but it is really worth it. Just look here. While those others are still processing, you could opt to check some smoke effects and add them. But I did not find a suitable right now. But there are plenty of cool effects you could consider to add in order to make the video even better and stand out from the crowd. Next up, we are going to add this dizzy effect to the biohazard images. Now go to the right and change some parameters if necessary. Now comes a cool hack. Do a right click on the image we just added the dizzy effect to, and now press Copy Attributes. Now you need to go to another biohazard image and do a right click and press Paste Attributes. Now be sure to only keep Effects selected and press Paste. Now the same effect with the same parameters has been added to this image. I will do this also to the rest. Next, we are going to transitions and add the pull-in transition between the first and second images like this. The next step is to go to ratio and set it to vertical, so 9 times 16. Now select all the clips and do a right click and click on Create Compound Clip. Now copy and paste it and put them above each other. Now click on the lower clip and enlarge it like this. Following, go to Effect and search for the blur effect and drag it on top of the clip which is below. Next up, we are going to stickers and look for some biohazard stickers. That is nice. Let's also add this biohazard sticker. Now go to text and add a text block. Now write Biohazard. Now change the font and the preset style. Yes, that looks amazing. For the background music, we could simply copy the MP3 of this short. I am using the 4K video downloader, but you could obviously use any other YouTube MP3 converter. Now put it in your CapCut project and resize it. But I am going to pick a song from the YouTube audio library, and I really like this Trap Beethoven. Haha, it's chill. Now add it to CapCut and resize it, etc. As a final touch, we are going to add some filters. The center light and Oppenheimer effect are just perfect. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own Biohazard Animal shorts with AI and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.